Tonight we're seeing something we haven't seen in quite some time, some rainfall moving through portions of southeast Nebraska. Now this is not heavy rain by any means, it's just some very light showers, more likely just some raindrops that are falling out there, just enough to cover the ground and make the atmosphere change that smell just a little bit to that spring and summertime smell you get just before a shower and thunderstorm moving through. These are all moving off to the north and east. There are more back to the south and to north central Kansas, and these may continue to move off northeast and bring us a chance for a shower as we go through the evening and more so as we go through the overnight hours. A warm front has lifted to the north of I-80, and that's when the temperature started to warm this afternoon. We saw a 10-degree temperature rise from noon to 2 o'clock as that warm front was passing. Now our winds are still out of the south, gusting to near 40 miles per hour at the airport in Lincoln. Otherwise, most locations right around 25 miles per hour. Live look right now from Allo Communications. Boy, those clouds sure do look like they could produce rain at any given moment. And if you look at the roads, you can see they are a little darker. So we have had some raindrops falling at times, and we've seen some raindrops falling on the lenses. Temperature-wise around the city, we've got temperatures mainly in the mid-60s. We've cooled off a little bit. We hit a high temperature of 73 degrees this afternoon at the airport. We're down to 66 degrees in Beatrice, 67 in Hebron, and 68 in Columbus. Head out to the west, out towards Kearney. You can see there's a 10-degree temperature drop from Kearney to Grand Island, as there is a front that's still sitting out that direction. For the rest of this evening, it's going to stay mild in Lincoln, with temperatures going from the 60s right now, only falling into the 50s by morning. Be a bit colder as you head further to the west. Temperatures dropping into the 30s in Kearney, 42 in Grand Island, 46 in York, and 51 in Seward. Winds for Lincoln will be out of the south 5 to 15, out to the west behind a front. We're talking more of a northeasterly wind. Now, tomorrow morning at 4 a.m., we may see a few scattered showers around, and you can see the temperature difference, 55 in Lincoln, 43 out towards Kearney. Now, as we go through the morning, we'll have a few showers around 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Then the rain will start to turn off, I think. And notice the sky is beginning to clear over far southeast corner of the state. Off to the north and northwest, where we've got more clouds, and that's where temperatures are remaining cool. That sunshine is going to allow temperatures to quickly jump into the 70s, but as we do so, a cold front will start to move through, and we may start to see some showers and thunderstorms developing along the line from, let's say, Lincoln to Beatrice and eastward. Now, whether the showers or thunderstorms develop directly overhead, or they may happen just a few miles, maybe 20 miles further east. That's hard to pinpoint at this time, but we will keep a chance for some thunderstorms in the forecast before these quickly move into Iowa and produce some severe thunderstorms out that direction. Otherwise, we'll see our temperatures dropping as late afternoon and more towards the evening. And you can see in our instability maps, the computer models are suggesting there is enough instability around here to produce some thunderstorms in the heating of the day, especially early afternoon before the instability moves off to the east as that cold front passes through. Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of severe weather as you head towards Omaha, out near the state line. Better chance happening into portions of Iowa and northern Missouri. But otherwise, temperatures tomorrow topping out in the low 70s in Lincoln, mid 70s in Beatrice, but only highs in the low 40s out to the west towards Kearney. Upper 40s in Grand Island, 59 in York, and 71 in Seward. So pretty interesting change in temperatures. Look at your car thermometer as you're driving down along I-80 and notice the changes. Now, as far as how much rainfall we are expecting, it's not going to be a whole lot. Computer models are only suggesting and spitting out a few hundredths of an inch, but at this point, any rain is needed. Winter weather advisories are also in effect for tomorrow as you head further to the west, and even winter storm warnings, where some locations out there could pick upwards of 6 to 7 inches of snow. Up towards O'Neill, you could see upwards of 1 to maybe as much as 3 inches of snow. And out towards Broken Bow, we're talking likely less than an inch and maybe just a dusting out towards McCook. 7-day forecast. 41 degrees on Sunday, so turning cooler. We'll have a chance for snow in the Lincoln area late Sunday night and early Monday morning, and then temperatures start to rebound back in the 50s by Tuesday and Wednesday, with another chance for some snow coming our way perhaps by Thursday of next week, and cooler temperatures to end next week with highs in the 20s and 30s.